Stop. You know that click sound the gas pump makes when your tank is full? If you squeeze the handle again to top it off, you aren't just adding more gas. You might be quietly destroying one of the most expensive parts of your car's emission system. Forget the internet myths about cell phones exploding gas stations. Today, based on modern automotive engineering, we're re-exposing the 5 real fueling habits that drain your wallet and damage your engine over time. Modern cars are complex sealed systems. There's a critical component called the charcoal canister connected to the top of your fuel tank. Its job is to capture harmful gasoline vapors and feed them to the engine to be burned. It is designed for gas fumes, not liquid. When you force more fuel in after the pump clicks off, you raise the fuel level into the vent lines. This sends liquid raw gas directly into that canister, saturating the charcoal. The mechanical result is that this can ruin the canister and damage the purge valve, potentially triggering a check engine light with codes like P0440 or P0446 and causing a raw fuel smell inside your car. The first click is the limit, respect it. Next, did you know your fuel does 2 jobs, combustion and cooling? Your fuel pump is submerged inside the gas tank to keep its electric motor cool. When you consistently drive with the tank near empty, the pump is exposed to air, which causes it to run hotter and puts unnecessary stress on its internal windings. Also, while modern tanks are plastic and don't rust, running low means you're picking up the highest concentration of sediment at the bottom of the tank, which can clog the pickup strainer. The fix is simple. Don't wait for the low fuel light. Get in the habit of refueling at the quarter tank mark to extend your pump's life. There is also a common misconception that premium gas, like 91 or 93 octane, is cleaner or gives every car more power. Mechanically, that's false. The octane rating is simply a measure of the fuel's resistance to premature combustion, or knocking. If your owner's manual calls for regular 87 and you put in premium, you are literally burning money for zero performance gain. However, if you drive a turbocharged car that requires premium and you cheap out with regular, that is dangerous. It can cause engine knock, forcing your ECU to pull timing and reduce power to protect the pistons. Open your fuel door. The number listed there is the law. Don't guess. Now, do cell phones blow up gas stations? No, that's never been proven. The real enemy is static electricity. Sliding in and out of your seat while the pump is running generates a static charge on your clothes. If you touch the metal nozzle immediately after getting out, a tiny spark, one you might not even see, can jump and ignite the vapors around the filler neck. If you have to get back in your car, always touch a metal part of the car body, like the door frame, with your bare hand before you touch the pump handle. This grounds you and discharges the static safely. Finally, should you refuel with the engine running, mechanically, it's better to shut it off. The vibration and pressure changes from a running engine can confuse the EVAP system sensors, sometimes triggering false fault codes. And what about the tanker truck? While modern station filters are excellent at stopping dirt, the turbulence from a tanker refilling the underground tanks can stir up sediment. This might partially clog the station's pump filters, making your refueling process painfully slow. Save yourself the time and find another station. Your car is a major investment. Simple habits like these will save you from unnecessary repair bills down the road.